6 months later.
Oh, hold on. Can you see me? Can you like see me? Oh, wrong.
Easy, my mom. Easy, my mom.
Alrighty, so we're back, and these are the Racer X Standard
Front lower control arms.
Yeah, so replacing these shitty ass ones. Don't worry, I'll show you more once I take off the wheel. So, am I holding that, sir? Alright, so answer me then.
Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
It is a 2013 Ford Ranger.
That's what I figured. Built Ford tough.
Yeah, no, 2013 WRX. I think it's base. Honestly, I don't know that question, but yeah. So we have a Mountain Rider wide body kit, or as they used to know them as Volkman design. Yeah. What else do you want to know?
What kind of trunks is that?
Well, that didn't sound that well. It's okay.
Okay, here we break shit.
The trunk is a custom piece. Damn, dude, these tires are still great.
Must be nice.
Yeah, that's the first time. But yeah,
This is the trunk duckbill.
it is not a battle arrow, so don't message me. Is that a battle arrow? Is that a battle arrow? It is not. It's custom.
This is his setup.
Yeah, they're just BCs. Nothing special.
BC's with no preload.
Exactly. Fuck the preload.
You got slotted and drilled rotors.
They are centric performance, or aka stock tech from what they say. Don't care. As long as it stops, that's all that matters.
I did the brake delete on mine.
Did you?
Wide body. Poor car.
What?
Huh? Nothing.
Did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
I forgot.
It's all good, dude. I don't care.
This is the King of Vertex that you guys didn't see in the last video because it was hiding.
You can take it out.
Now my hands are dirty.
Yeah. When aren't they dirty?
With the Vertex turn signal extension, Cusco roll cage, boost controller. I mean, boost gauge, pressure, whatever. A flask because you gotta stay hydrated. The infamous dildo shift knob. Sony head unit. Camber gang. Happy ending Heart Sirikawa. And we'll be back when we know more about how to take this hoe off. Him so cute though.
Huh?
Let me know in the comments if you want me to give Jesse a hickey. I mean...
Please don't.
Yeah, please don't let us know. I'll just do it.
Man, that's so tight.
We got a 18 by 12
Plus
6 offset.
275, 35, 18 tires if you want to know.
Yeah, what he said.
There we go.
And these are the 4 stars
F14.
F14 Power coated by the homie my Carlo on IG. His build actually went to SEMA, not like ours. We just went to a local Cars and Coffee. But yeah, he's the same guy that did my VSXs. Mwah. Compliments to the chef.
Yeah, he did a good job because my dumbass, what did I do? I plastic dipped them.
He plastic dipped them. Pagugon started eating the paint. But Carlo, we finished them. And shit, did a killer job. Spot on the color.
Compliments to the chef.
Compliments to the chef. Mwah. Carlos, if you see this, congratulations. You just got a shout out.
I don't think he needs them.
No, he doesn't. He's better known than that. Yeah, he's really famous. His car is fucking amazing.
I'm gonna fucking.
Let me show you how my faces came out. Follow me. Big ass driveway. Oh yeah, so Jesse wanted to go this color because shit, nigga, I don't know. This is my little rust bucket. Unreliable Subaru. Yes, they are dirty, but he fucking killed it. Beautiful. But yeah, that shit was so beat up. Like when I got them used anyways, so didn't really care. And then powder coated them, fucking came out amazing. So if you're local to the 831 Monterey County, hit up my Carlo on IG and get your power coating get done by him. Fire. Oh my god, we already have an accident. OSHA.
I gotta go to the hospital, my heart's gonna come out.
See, this is why you wear gloves.
No, this is why you just don't.
Ew.
Yeah, it's a little bad.
Views discretion. Whatever. What did it say?
What?
Views discretion advised or whatever.
Oh, viewers' discretion is advised?
Yeah.
If you're into kinky shit?
Blood and gore or whatever. Gruesome.
Yeah, that motherfucker hurt, actually.
What'd you get cut with?
I don't even know. We'll figure that out right now. I gotta go under.
So what are you doing, mister?
We are gonna replace these.
No, I mean, like, what are you doing right now?
Oh, just removing a cotter pin. Damn, I almost lost my tooth.
Can't go 2 for 2 now. If you know, you know. If you don't, please don't. Because I still feel bad.
We don't want to hear the story anymore.
Yeah, that shit was bad.
It wasn't that bad.
Oh, shit, nigga, that shit hurt me. I was ready to throw the car away.
I was ready to throw my face away.
Shit, I thought you did.
Damn. Motherfucker stuck in there.
Shout out to Dr. Chow. Really got my boy smelling right.
That's a little racist, but alright.
How's that racist? Ain't that his last name?
I don't know. His name was like Nguyen or something.
Oh,
Yeah,
shout out
this
to him.
motherfucker in there. It's been 4 years since we installed these. Actually, no, 5 years. 2016.
Damn.
Okay, cut that out. I'll cut that out.
Alright, so honestly, we don't even know what the fuck we're doing. I just heard the drink sponsored by Modelo. Thank you for another plug.
Alright, so this is what we are replacing. I don't know if you can see those bushings, but they are crap. I'll go into that. So we have two 19 mils to hold this bracket. Then this 19 removes the actual control arm. And then we got these right here. Oh fuck. Am I pointing at it? I don't know. It's a 17. Remove those. This 19 right here. And I think this should come out. If I fail, cut. as Serge would say, I just want to chill.
He should be here in like 45 minutes. That was
Damn.
like 20 minutes ago. So
he must be a good painter. Oh, I hate short ones.
Kind of thick if you ask me. Huh?
What happened?
None.
What'd you say?
I forgot. Let's see it.
Did I hear it? Should I eat his ass?
No, I said kind of thick if you ask me when you got up.
I don't know if you're lying.
Are you hyping me up?
Because they be saying I got a flat ass.
You had a long ass day?
Pretty much.
Go this way.
Alright. There we go.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Tools.
Tools.
Very important.
Shout out to a Mexican who stole these for us. I mean, we bought these.
Shout out to Juan.
Juan Camane.
Or whatever his name is.
Whatever these niggas are. I don't mean, fuck.
Alright, dude, you need to learn how to respect. I'm just kidding. Yeah, alright.
You earn respect. I'm just kidding. Beat my ass one time.
Alright, I don't know if this is gonna come out or not, dude.
Alright, well.
I might hurt myself, I might not.
Also, when you're working on cars, be organized. Don't throw shit around.
Yeah, leave them where you...
Leave them where you took them off.
Alrighty. This one right here.
You need a hammer?
Low key, I'll grab the camera. So, let me see. That's out. That's out. Now we just need to bang this for the one time. And hopefully she's out.
There you go. And also, too, be organized with your tools. We got everything you need. You got miscellaneous stuff, other shit. Gotta have this. If you're a super owner, get this.
What?
The vape juice.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I went kind of death real quick. I'll need the other jack. Oh, that shit hurt. Also, very important. Make sure you do crack before you do all this shit.
Yeah, or else you're gonna be lazy. It's a good supplement.
Go-go juice.
Excuse me. Oops, we don't need that.
I don't even know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm doing it.
I mean, our cars are built by luck.
Hold up. This guy right here.
Yep, that's the guy that's giving us issues.
Alright, hold up. Are you deaf or is it just me?
No, I was born like this.
No, low-key, that shit made me deaf.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You want me to hit it one time?
No, you're good. I'm gonna figure this out.
He's scared out. He's scared I'm gonna break it. Like I always do.
No, it's not that. It's just... I don't want you to get scared.
Fuck, I look like getting scared for.
Oh, that's what it is. The what's it called?
Sway bar.
Yeah.
Duh. The
So-
people in the comments said that.
Oh yeah, really? Did they?
They really. Just got my shoes clean and shit. Weird stuff.
Oh my bad.
No, it's cool. It's cool.
Did I for real?
No.
Oh.
You really did.
I can't. I don't know if you're being for real or not.
No, it's cool. I'm not at Vans every other week.
If you hear this, fans, please. Please sponsor us.
Please sponsor us. I'm tired of spending $50 every week.
Every month. And actually, like every 2 weeks.
Yeah. If you didn't know, my closet has probably like 20 pairs of Vans. All the same color too, sadly.
Damn. This guy really doesn't want to come on. All right, that's your lower control arm delete.
Yeah, there we
Just
go.
put
Now,
your wheel back on and you should be set.
shit, you ready to go. If you hear something dragging, then fucking turn it up. Turn up the music.
All right, hold on, because this shit gets fucking loud. All right, so we finally got it on. We figured out what was what, where the bushings went. Everything's torqued down. And they look pretty nice. Now let's hope they ride nice. All right, on to the next, and I'll be more specific on the next one, because this one I had to figure out.